Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top deals of the week of May 10th through May 16th, starting on Mother's Day. And the deals there's not very many of them. Now, I would like to go Sunday because it is Mother's Day and I do want to coupon, but we'll see how that goes. And then Monday is my daughter's birthday. I think it's kind of neat that I become a mom on Mother's Day. So, anyways, there are a few deals, not a lot going on, not a lot of variety either. So you may see the same things on other channels as well because there's just not a variety. So anyways, let's get into the deals. And the first one is the same kind of thing that we've done a lot of times, but you can always change this up if you want. But anyways, the first deal is the CoverGirl. It is spend $15, get a $7 extra buck. We're going to buy 3 of the CoverGirl brow pencils at $5.99 a piece. We're going to use 3 $3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product coupons from the 510 Smart Source. I have a 4 off 15 CoverGirl CRT that I would use, and then I will pay $4.95 and I'll get back $7 in extra bucks, making it free, and a $2.03 moneymaker. Now, if you don't want to do eye pencils, you can do mascara, you can do the eyeshadow quads, or you could even do like concealers. So there's a wide variety that you can do. And granted, they might not be money makers with those other options, but it's up to you how you want to do it. Do you want to do money makers, or do you want to try out new product? I'm going to just go for brow pencils. I don't know. I might go for eyeshadow quads. We'll see. But it will be either an eye or a face product that I go for. So anyways, the next product is a product that I have not showcased on my channel at all. The promotion is for the Oral-B Special Care Oral Rinse, Fix-It-In, or Glide Pro Health Floss. These are buy one, get a $2 extra buck with a limit of 2. And so for this promotion, we're going to pick up the Oral-B Special Care Rinse. They are on sale for $8.99 each. Then we're going to use a $2 off Oral-B send a card coupon for this type of mouth rinse. And then we will pay $6.99. We'll get back a $2 extra buck. But you can submit your receipt to Ibotta and you'll get $2 back, making your final total $2.99. But I wanted to throw it out there that if you have a 2 off 6 mouthwash CRT, go ahead and give it a try with this. I don't technically know, or I don't know if this is technically considered a mouthwash or not, but if it were to work, then that would make it only 99 cents. So yeah, if you have gotten this before, is it considered mouthwash? And have you used an oral care or a mouthwash CRT on it before? I'm interested. I would like to get this, and so yeah, this is going to be one of the products that I will be getting next week. So the next deal is on the Mitchum deodorant. We all, as YouTubers, are promoting this on our channels because we know that deodorant can sometimes be hard to coupon for. It's on sale for $2.99. It's normally like $6.99. We're getting a $1 off coupon in the 510 Smart Source, but last week I got a $2 off Mitchum deodorant CRT that I can use with it, making it free. And who doesn't love free deodorant? I know though that not everybody's going to get that $2 off CRT. It says like $2 off the new Mitchum deodorant, natural elements or something like that, and or you can try any Mitchum product. So even if you don't have that, that is still, I think it would still be a really good deal because you just don't get deodorant at that price. I know I can't walk into Walmart and get deodorant for $1.99. You know what I mean? And Mitchum deodorant used to be my favorite. So it's a very good deodorant too. So anyways. Next is the L'Oreal Skincare. Now this is a hypothetical question, or not question, scenario because we don't know about one of the coupons. So L'Oreal Skincare is spend a $30, get a $10 extra buck. We're going to get the L'Oreal Hydra Nutrition Night Balm at $21.99. Then we're going to buy a L'Oreal Ideal Makeup Remover Wipes at $4.29. Then we're going to buy the L'Oreal Ideal Foaming Gel Cleanser at $4.39. We're going to use a $3 off L'Oreal Age Perfect coupon from the 5/3 Retail Me Not. We're going to use two $2 off L'Oreal Facial Care coupons, an internet printable and a CVS digital coupon. God willing, there's not a lot of big issues at CVS this upcoming week. Then you're going to use a $6 off L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CRT. Then you're going to use and try, and hopefully it'll work, the $10 off 30 L'Oreal Maybelline Garnier Instant Coupon that we got last week. Now, you're going to pay $7.67 out of pocket. You'll get back a $10 extra buck. But then, after 48 hours, because you reached beauty, you will get a $3 beauty buck, making the final total for these free and a $5.33 moneymaker. So on Sunday, I'm hoping to try this deal. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, you know. But last time we had this type of coupon, a lot of people saved it for the following week and got such a high moneymaker on L'Oreal Facial Care. So, hopefully it'll work. But I'm going to try it, and I will let you know. And, yeah, if it doesn't work, I'll just tell them to cancel it, you know. You win some, you lose some. That just happens. And I do want to apologize if my voice is low. I am beyond tired, and it's late, so we'll just leave it at that. So then the last scenario I have for you is a spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. It's pretty easy. You're going to buy 2 of the Tide Pods at $4.94 each. You're going to buy 2 of the Herbal Essence BioRenew at $5 each. They're 2 for $10. You're going to use a $2 off Tide Pod coupon from the May P&G, a $2 off Tide Pod coupon from the CVS digital coupons. Then you're going to use a 3 off 2 Herbal Essence BioRenew CVS digital coupon. Then you're going to use a 3 off 10 Herbal Essence BioRenew CRT. And I've been getting these every week for the past several weeks. And then there's a $1 off of 1 Tide Pods app-only coupon. Now, if you've used it before, like last week, then you can't use it again. So then you're going to pay $8.88 out of pocket. You'll get back $5 in extra bucks, making it $3.88 when you buy 4 items or 97 cents a piece. And that's pretty good. I do believe I will be doing this deal. It just depends. Sometimes I'll have the intention of doing that deal, and then things change a little bit when you get in the stores, so you have to roll with the punches. So that's it, guys. Sorry I'm falling asleep doing this video, but it is important that I stay on track and give you guys all the information. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay kind to one another out there. Bye, guys.